Hello everyone. So in this video, I will be talking about different VS Code options. So if you are a beginner to the VS Code, then this is the video for you. So first, I will be discussing about this thing, and then I will be going to this terminal side, and then I will be explaining the remaining things about the VS Code. So let's just not waste time and get started. So first thing is this is the options for Explorer. So when you click on this, it will open the Explorer, and this will tell you about what are the files and folders which your project contains. And below this, there is an option of search. Uh, if you click on this, then you can search the contents of the file. Like if you want to search app header, or let's suppose if you want to search the app component, and you can see this is the app component. So it is showing here also, like app.component.ts is the file, and you can see here also this is the file which I have opened. You can check in the directory also. And if you want to include any particular specific file extension, then you can include here. And if you want to replace this word with any other word, then you can put it here also. And this is basically which type of extension you want to exclude, then you can put here. And this is basically options for branching. Like if you want to commit your code, then whatever changes you have made, it is basically shown here. You can just add this plus here, so it will going to stage your changes, and then you can have an option of by clicking here, you can have an option of commit and push to push your code into the GitHub or Bitbucket, whichever you are using. And then this is the option where you can run and debug your code. So if you are having any error in your code, so you can press a breakpoint and then you can debug and run your code from here by this option. And if you are working with the VS Code, so you definitely will be needing some extension that will make your work easy. So if you want to run C++ program or C program, then you can basically install their extensions, and that will be giving some extra Python also. There are so many Python extension, like you can see this is the available Python environments available. For Angular, there is Angular language service are there that will automatically code complete for you if you just write it half. So that can be downloaded and searched from here. You can search any extension and it will be giving for you. And this is the basically the terminal option in which you can write some command which you want to run in your project. So you can write it, and you can switch also different types of command available. Like you can have an option of command prompt, JavaScript, PowerShell, and Git Bash. So I have made default the Git Bash. You can configure from here also. If you want to select any other thing like command prompt or PowerShell, then you can select the default profile. But for the general purpose, Git Bash is very good, so I have just kept it there. And whatever from here, it is basically shown in this particular uh, section here. And if you want to make any branch, then you can see here an option of master. So we are currently in the master's branch. So if you click on it, you can see above options, create new branch. So you can give your branch any name and you can start working from it. And if you want to cut any branch, like suppose you are working in a team and you have team has a team release branch, then you can cut the branch from there also. So this second option is for that. And for here you can basically run your code. So there are different many options available. You can run the code from here also, and here also. And let's suppose your terminal is not showing, so you can click here to get your terminal back, and then you can go to the terminal option and explore all the remaining section. And if you want to create any file, then you can click on here for any file if you want to create, and then you can you also have an option of this file and then new file. So any options you can follow. And this is basically same for folder. So if you click on this, it will create a folder, and this is basically refreshing the explorer. Like suppose if you made some changes, then by clicking this it will refresh. And suppose you have basically opened some text, like suppose if you opened, then it is expanded. So if you want everything to be collapsed, then you can click here. It collapses everything. Now you can freshly or neatly again open it, the whatever file you want to work with. So and one more thing is there is one more search available. Like this search is available to search within the contents of the file, and from here you can search by the file name. Let's suppose if I want to search this style.scss file, so I can write that styles.scss. You can see it is shown here. When you click on it, it is basically shows our styling which I have given. So this is pretty much all about this video. So thank you for watching.